We are on for another quick and refreshing trip. After few short treks and viewpoints this time, it is waterfalls. Tottikallu Falls is the closest waterfall around Bangalore, which is just few kilometers from Banakatta. So this time we did not have to start that early from home. We leisurely started around 6:30 am from home and reached the place around 7:30 am easily. Though we chose outdoor, I was little cautious to avoid the crowd due to this pandemic, and as I expected, there were hardly few people near the waterfalls. This falls belongs to the Banakatta Forest Department and is actually not open to tourists and mostly used by the local people there. But if you reach there early and return before 9 or 10 am, then you can easily access this place without any permission from the forest officials. We had to park the car and walk for few meters, and we saw the stream of water flowing that made us feel very happy and energetic to walk fast. There we saw a well situated right in the middle, and I was wondering why exactly it is available there. Me and Hyani were shouting and making fun of our echoes from that well. And then we started moving ahead. Moving forward for about few meters, we could hear the waterfalls and got excited. I knew the flow of waterfall would be lesser as it was not really a monsoon season, but to my surprise, there was enough water for us to take a quick dip and enjoy for few minutes. We were waiting for the gang of people who came before us to leave so that we can safely and peacefully spend some time in the waterfall. And then after some time, we had our chance to enjoy. Me and Hyani got down and enjoyed for a while and started posing for pictures. I was just running here and there. This is not a great view or a huge waterfall, but for just an hour drive from home, this is the best waterfall I have ever enjoyed. And that too in this situation where we are locked at home most of the time, this quick trip really gave me so much pleasure and joy. So all done? Click few pictures. Okay, now time to head back. On the way back, we saw the wonderful landscape with a widespread Kaveri and couldn't resist from having a pit stop. We enjoyed for a while clicking pictures and having a walk around the pathway of the river, and we were just gazing at the enthusiastic goose that was swimming here and there. So there ends the story. Hope you enjoyed this vlog, and if not, then please wait for Hyani's interesting fun fact video in next week. Bye bye.